Mihang'o ya uheani wa njanjo guku bururi-ini ni huritwo njeki thutha wa bururi kwamukira muigana wa njanjo mirioni 1.8 iria ni muthemba wa Pfizer cia COVID-19 kuuma kuri thirikari ya Amerika itanya-ini ni ari kuongerera namba ya akenya aria marathii nambere na guthecwo njanjo ici. Akiamukira njanjo ici kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA, umwe wa abithaa kuuma ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Benjamin Murkomen augite uteithio wa njanjo ici ni igukorwo na uguni munene kuri akenya kuona njanjo ici igukorwo ikinyagio kaunti-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini.
On behalf of government of Kenya, I just want to thank the US government for this donation. The vaccines that we are receiving today will be distributed to the following counties: Mombasa, Nairobi, Kakamega, Nakuru, Eldoret, Kisumu, Kitengela.
Mwena-ini wao maabithaa a ubarothi wa Amerika matongoretio ni Eric Wanik maugite gukinyeria riu thirikari ya bururi wa Amerika ni neanite makiria ma njanjo mirioni 10 kuri bururi wa Kenya.
The Biden-Harris administration is committed to combating COVID-19 around the globe and of course here in Kenya. The achievements Kenya has made over the last 6 months are significant, including nearly 13.8 million doses administered. Today, over 27% of Kenyans are fully vaccinated.
Wanik augite njanjo nocio njira ya kuhukia king'uki gia COVID-19 guku akioria akenya aria matari marathecwo njanjo metikire kwiyumiria na guciamukira akiranira ati bururi wa Amerika no guthie na mbere guteithiriria bururi wa Kenya guku magitanya kuneana njanjo ingi mirioni 8.3 guku bururi-ini.
I'm also pleased to announce that USAID and CDC will support counties and government to accelerate their effort toward vaccination targets. We also expect an additional 8.3 million US government deliveries over the coming months through COVAX.
Gukinyeria riu bururi wa Kenya uri gicunjĩ-ini kia 27.8 harĩ igana harĩ uthecani wa njanjo cia COVID-19. Muoroto wa thirikari ni gutheca makiria ma andu mirioni 27 na harĩ utheremu wa COVID-19 bururi riu uri gicunjĩ-ini gia 5.5 harĩ igana kuona harĩ mathaa 24 no andu 16 monekanite na COVID-19 harĩ ithimi 3,135 iria iratafanirio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV mohoro gitau ni njitagwo Wangui wa Bururi.